Hello everyone, this is just a short video on how to make your Sprite increase its size or even reduce it if you want to. Okay, so first of all you go, I prefer going to the events um, um, group to give it this instruction first of all, then go to control, and I'm going to use repeat 10, that's repetition, the looping and the looping I choose is repeat 10. Okay, you can increase or reduce the number if you wish to, but I'm going to put 10 here, and then go to looks and then look for change size by 10 and put it there, and by the time you click it, it becomes that big. Okay, but then it was too fast, so what you need to do is just go to control group and then click on this one, wait 1 second and then reduce the size, because 1 second to me is too slow, so I usually like reducing it to 0.3 or 0.5, so that it it's faster than usual. All right. And also, if you want to reduce the size, all you need to do is just go through the same process. Go to repeat 10 and then go to looks and then go to change size by 10 and then change this to negative 10. So by the time you click it, it becomes that. But then, like I said, it's fast. So what you can do is just go back to control and wait 1 second there and then change it to 0.3 or 0.5 or 0.1 or 0.2. So I joined it to the first one and I'll click on the green flag and that's what happens. Okay, so it's growing now and then it's reducing. Okay, so you can make it go forever if you want to by just clicking on the forever block and attaching it there, and it does this forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Okay, so depending on how you want to do it. All right. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. You can do this to any sprite, by the way. I just chose a balloon because balloons you can blow it to make it bigger or smaller. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.